Alright, welcome to this quick video. I'm going to show you guys how to add some sheets to your document and also how to sort your data. So here we go. First of all, let's sort our data by state alphabetically. So every time I want to sort my data, I want to click on all the data. So I can do that by simply going over here between the A and the 1, that spot right there. I call that the All button. If I click on that, it's going to select everything on my spreadsheet. Then I'm going to go over here to Data and Sort Range. Alright, and I want to tell that my data does have a header row, otherwise my headers will be sorted in with my numbers, and I don't want that. It also gives me the headers down here in my pull down for which to sort by. Alright, I want to sort by states. And I want to sort it A to Z, so alphabetically, and I just click Sort. Okay, and if you look over here, now all my states are sorted alphabetically, and all the information that went along with them is sorted accordingly. Now, I want to move all of this information into a new sheet so I can do a new sort. Alright, so to make a new sheet, I'm going to come down here to the bottom, click on that little plus sign, and notice I get a new tab. Okay, so we'll rename those in a minute, but right now let's go back and let's just copy all the information. So I can just click on back to my sheet 1. That's going to be where my information is now, and if I want to go back to the new sheet, I just click on the tab down at the bottom. But I want to copy the information first. Again, I want to click on the All button to select everything. That's just the quickest way to get everything selected. And then you can do however you like to copy and paste. I'm just going to right click and copy. Okay, then I'm going to come over to my new sheet, click on there, and I'm going to right click right in A1 and paste. And just give it a second to finish up. There it goes. Okay, so now I can resort this data by something different, and then I can quickly go back and forth between that information. So in this sheet, I want to sort by student-teacher ratio. So I want to figure out which states have the lowest student-teacher ratio. Just to make a note here while I'm talking about it, this data is not correct. Okay, this data will not look like your data. The numbers are not the same. Okay, so please don't try to copy these numbers into your spreadsheet or something like that. These numbers are incorrect. So I'm going to sort by student-teacher ratio. Again, I want to click the All button so I get all my information is selected. I'm going to come back up to Data and then Sort Range. I want to click the Data has a header row. Check that. I'm going to pull down my menu, and now I can go to student-teacher ratio. Okay, A to Z will work just fine. I do want the lowest to highest, and I can click Sort. Alright, there we go. Now if you look over here in the information that I have, which will not be the same as when you sort it, but I have Texas shows to be the lowest student-teacher ratio, all the way up to New York being the highest, and you could see it's all the information is sorted by this row or this column alone. Okay, student-teacher ratio. I want to do one more. I'm going to copy, and I can really copy from either sheet. Okay, so first I need to make a new sheet. Alright, I'm going to come back to my first bit of information. It is already all selected. I can right click and copy again just to make sure it's copied. Come to my new sheet that I just opened up, into A1. I'm going to paste. Right click and paste. This time I want to sort by total expenditures. So again, I'm going to make sure it's all selected. All my data is selected. Come to Data, Sort Range, check Data has a header row, and go down to total expenditures. There we go. This time let's do reverse. I want to see the highest to the lowest. So let's click Z to A, and then click sort. Now you can see that it kind of reversed the order that it's sorted by. Now it's the highest number at the top, and it goes down to the lowest number in the total expenditures column. And then I can look over and see which state has the most, or has the most total expenditures, down to which state has the least total expenditures. Okay? Come back for the next video when I show you how to graph this information.